What is up, boys and girls? Empire Steve back with you yet again. Today is January 18th and it's Wednesday. Let me start off again to just give you guys a little advice. There's 80% off on Apex Trader funding right now, and my advice is to jump on that while it's cheap. Grab one or two. It's up to you, whatever you can afford. Definitely do not do it if you cannot afford it. But it is way better than trading with your own money and losing, especially when they are this cheap. 80% off and then 80% off the recurring. So my code is down below. I'll try and leave it in the description as well. Also, please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications. That is completely up to you, but please hit the like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you a single thing. If you don't like it, scroll on. See you later if you don't like it. Don't be that guy that hits the dislike just because you don't like it, right? That's jacked up. I'm not going to do it to you. If you do it to me, you let me know who you are and if you post any videos so I can throw it back at you. Just kidding. I still wouldn't do it. I'm not that mean. There was a lot of news today. We had PMI, we had all kinds of news, PPI, whatever all that news was, but there is a crap ton of it. I did not start trading until around a little after 10 o'clock is when I started trading. But look at this move. I even saw this, and I saw this. We had swept the liquidity from the other day. And I think it was 40.28 from yesterday, and we swept it. We went above it, and then we started to break down. And then I was thinking about shorting here. I did not pull the trigger, but look at this fair value gap here. Boom, boom. Even the EMA's crossed there. You got a fair value gap. You would have put your stop above this candle here. And you never would have got stopped out if you just shorted. You basically, for a few hours, could have shorted whenever you wanted, and you never would have lost money. Look at this. We just keep going down. We just keep going down. Oh my gosh. But I started trading around 10. There was a few nice plays that I took. A couple 10-point plays, and then I gave a little bit back. But as you can see, I'm still up on the day, $623. I need $1,700 to pass this account, and then I will have another funded account. So there's a fair value gap here. You could have traded. There's so many fair value gaps you could have just shorted on. Like there's literally so many. Like there's one here. Price came back to it. You just kept failing. Or if you're using the EMA strategy, there's never a reason not to get out of your short. There's never a reason. You wait for this green candle, or sorry, the red candle to be above the green candle below the red candle, and you just let it go. You let it ride out. We did kind of close above the 20 here, but we did not do it for a very long time after that. So you could have just reshorted. And voila, I played this to the downside, and it was like 14 points or something like that. But I did give some back, and it was only one contract. I think I made like a little over $5, almost $600 or something like that. It was $1,400. I think I guaranteed 11 where I was trailing my stop. So it was like $500, a little over $500. But then I did give it back. I overtraded a little bit. And that's just how it goes. Look at this sweet little fair value gap. Boom, boom, boom. Price comes into it twice, fails. Played this one as well, and I played the reversal. But as you can see, I went in heavy here, and then got stopped out. It was like in this area, and then got stopped out for basically a loss. And I did play it back to the upside. I was hoping that we would push back up to the high of the day. I was just kind of like, assuming that maybe we would, but every time I assume, it never happens. So I need to really do my best to not assume anymore. Just let price do its thing, take my profit. There was a bunch of times if I just would have trailed my stops while I was in profit, I would be up thousands today. But I didn't do that, so I kept giving back profit. So it is what it is. What are you gonna do? My auto liquidation threshold is only $300 below, so I have $2,700 of wiggle room basically, which is still good. The max is like 3,000, so I'm super close to that. And look at all these juicy plays. I played this long, played this, we formed this. We don't really technically have that power of 3, but I still played it and sold up here. And that was my last play of the day. I did not trade any more after that, I don't believe. And then you can see it looks really choppy here. Price action is very. I honestly don't know how I was green on the day, considering I started trading a little later because of the news. I just don't know, but we did catch some pretty good bangers, and I'll show you that from some individuals in the Discord. So I'm going to show you that. This here is Raphael. He traded last night. I'll show it to you right here. There are some other people that made money, but they have not posted it. Raphael shorted NQ last night. This is in the PM session, and he made 1875. Boom. He says passed an Apex eval, 10 NQ short on that drop at me, like our master teaches a big move in one direction can happen in the opposite direction. So he is absolutely right. We have so many times found some really nice plays, just from catching the bottom or catching the top of some kind of big aggressive move and then riding that wave to the upside. Here's Ply Dog. He was taking my trades today. I'm pretty sure he was in the Discord all day with me while we were looking for plays, and he made $4,755. That is insane. Ruvum made $375 on this one. He made $191 on this one, and Eric made $1,006. Boom. Pretty good for. I'm sure there's other people as well that made money. So, but that is that for those individuals, and obviously I made $623.20. It could have been way more, but I was expecting, and I was being greedy. I was expecting a bigger move, and I was definitely being greedy because of that. So that is why I'm not up more. I could have passed this evaluation. I could have had my third funded Apex account, but you know, it is what it is. What are you gonna do? Can't win them all, but tomorrow there's gonna be some more plays, and so we're gonna find another 10-point banger. If you are curious about how to get into my Discord, that link is down below as well. Everything is down below. I have the ICT mentorship playlist. I have TickTick 40% off code down below. I have Apex 80% code down below. All you got to do is when you're on the video, when you're in this video, select more in the description. Hit more. And you might have to hit it more again to see all of it, but it's all down in there. You can't miss it. Well, I guess you could if you're not really looking correctly, but it's all down there. So, but that is it for me for the day. I hope you all traded well today. I hope you stayed away from that news, because that news will make you sing the blues. You'll be crying in your bed, especially if you lose. Don't do that. But I look forward to speaking to all of you again tomorrow. Have a great night. Take care.